got the gang in here.
Well,
My cousin. That's an OG right there.
Yes, sir.
Since birth. This man has not been in this car since it had full interior up front.
Bruh.
That's crazy.
So much room for activities now.
Oh boy. It's sunny. Where is this rain coming from? Oh. Man, wake up! Man! Oh no! No! This is not good. Good thing I got my one wiper. Typical E92 drivers right here. This poor place hasn't been drifted in forever, man. We gotta do some landscaping out here. This is my first time being out here when it's raining, so this should be interesting because this place is horrible on tires. Absolutely terrible on tires. Oh, this sucks. We should have brought like an umbrella or something.
A little chilly out here.
Oh no. This is gonna be great though. You can kind of hear Ari in the background going crazy. Now me and Bane are about to go for a rip.
Yes, sir.
I'm hyped, dude. I've never driven this place in the wet. It's gonna be fun because I
never
have a lot
been
more
here,
seat
man.
time.
Might be the last hurrah. We're gonna build over
Dude,
this thing.
seriously. Your fan is going crazy, brother.
I can get some good footage of you from behind.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's gripping up, dude. I'm very surprised because it's wet. It's a lot of clutch kicks in that son bitch. It's fun, dude.
I was like, bro, I'm not following this line. It's like on and off.
Were you getting smacked by grass and all that shit?
Brother, my car is hate me for it, but I don't give a shit. Brother. That was sick.
When do you guys gotta hop in this shit?
Right now. I think let's go park. Why don't you do another line, and then we'll go park it up right there.
Okay.
Sorry, unplugged. Oh well. I'll just hold on.
Nah, I'll put that shit on.
What a legendary human being right here. We're chase car today, boys. We're chase car today. Oh my God. What a savage. What a savage. Oh man, we're over here in 8,000 pounds chasing this man for the shot. Oh my God, dude. What a beast. What a beast. Bro, every piece of grass to the vehicle, but f it. Savage! Get it, get it! Oh, the bumper, the tire! Oh my God! Yo, bro, dude. Oh shit! Oh my gosh, bro. What about the bumper for the state? Oh shit! Damn, bro! Damn! Oh my gosh, poor guy, dude. I don't even think he cares, bro. He literally didn't even come back for his bumper. What a Savage, dude.
You guys can probably hear. We're out of tire. Bumper delivery, thank you, sir. Look who decided to come out to play. Man went to one drift event, it's already more legit than I am.
I know. I got sick and tired of like getting stranded, so I had to buy something to tow her up.
Dude, it's good seeing this thing back. We got Travis out here too. Man moved out to Florida. Let's go.
Dude, I want to see Travis grind the wheel today.
Oh hell yeah! You think he's gonna
got me into cars.
Do some clutch kicks and stuff? Okay. Okay.
Do you love my gut job?
Yeah.
I kind of quit.
What is that, dude?
Said, man, this stuff is hard to get out.
Man, freaking got lazy out here.
Yeah. Then I spilled used oil in there, so there's a bunch of cat litter. And
oh, nice. It's a certified shitter.
It is. It
even though the paint's like immaculate and everything, it's got like.
It went from like a nice decent date car to I said, fuck it, I need to lose 13 pounds of weight.
Yeah, exactly. Look at this man's key, bro. Just check out the key, dude.
Go ahead. This is fancy stuff right here.
Hey, she starts right up though. Let's go.
Line me up, baby.
Drop the clutch and send her back. Beautiful.
Dude, I don't even
I'm surprised you knew how to put it on a trailer, to be honest.
Oh, yeah.
And you wonder why your car's broken all the time.
Yeah, you hear that little misfire in there?
Not really.
No, you'll hear it a little bit. It's not bad.
How many guys does it take to put a wheel on a car?
With me, more than one. No threads have been found yet.
We got the truck tires on right now, so this thing is rubbing. out the car?
No, it's... oh, shit, yeah, I might have made it out.
We'll find it. Dude, we basically drove through that. Holy hell.
I didn't feel it with slick tires on it, so I wouldn't know exactly, but I think it's gripping on it.
We gotta get more speed. We're gonna start from over here.
So compared, like, his Z3 to this driving, like,
Pretty similar, I'd say.
really?
Yeah, it's the same exact engine.
You can rip that just as well as you can rip it.
Well, I mean, his doesn't have an angle kit
Yeah.
or anything like that, so you can't really throw it in backwards. You run out of angle, but I mean, I was trying to convince him to put an angle kit on that because it would pretty much be the same car.
You did the E39.
The what?
lowers or
No, it's like E36 lowers.
Oh, okay.
They bolt right up and it's like an angle kit. It's crazy. Do it again! Do it again! You guys are out of tire, dude. That was scary.
Back it up.
Look at that, dude. Both cars running and driving, ready to go home. Let's go!
We're never here.
Fun ass day, boys.
Absolutely. Thank you guys, bro. Appreciate y'all.
All right, one more. Ready?
Yeah, we're just shaking it for a real one. Well, $5 to anybody, then guess what the hell they were just doing.
Everyone asks me why it looks like that, and this is the exact reason.
There's plenty of room, dude.
Yeah, it better pull. It's just our fat ass when we get in, it goes down.